How to create a Ubisoft account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can basically create a Ubisoft account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, creating a Ubisoft account is simple. Open your browser, go to ubisoft.com, then just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, you're going to be able to land on this page, which is connect.ubisoft.com. Now, if you already have an account, by the way, you can enter the email and password and log in. But if we don't, then just tap this option here known as create an account. And once you tap on create an account option, you'll be taken to the next page where you have to simply choose an email address that you would like to use over here. After that, also make sure to confirm your email address here. Then you can choose to simply create a certain password. Then you can create a username, enter your date of birth, agree to the terms and conditions here, and after you do so, you can just tap on create a Ubisoft account to finish creating your Ubisoft account. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically create a Ubisoft account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.